Hey there, beautiful souls. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving deep into a topic that has the power to change your life in ways you've never imagined. We're talking about energy manipulation and how it can unlock the door to your ultimate success. Yes, you heard me right. Your subconscious is the gateway to unlimited potential. But what if you're not in control of it? What if there's a hidden force within you that, once mastered, can lead you to success in every aspect of your life? Stick around, because by the end of this video, you'll have the tools to harness your thoughts, emotions, and vibrations to shape your reality. Let's get ready to unlock your true power. Imagine waking up every morning, energized and excited, knowing that you have the power to create your own reality. Imagine overcoming all those limiting beliefs that have held you back for years and stepping confidently into your greatness. What if I told you that the key to this transformation lies in energy manipulation? What if I told you that your thoughts and emotions are not just random reactions, but powerful forces that can shape your life? Stay tuned, because today we're going to explore how to shift your energy, dissolve limiting beliefs, and create lasting transformation. This is your chance to master the hidden force within you, so success becomes not just a possibility, but an inevitability. First, let's talk about the subconscious mind. This powerful part of your brain is responsible for your beliefs, habits, and emotions. It's like a vast ocean, deep and full of potential. But often, we don't know how to navigate it. The subconscious is where our limiting beliefs reside, where doubts and fears can anchor us down, preventing us from sailing towards our dreams. But what if I told you that your subconscious can be reprogrammed, that you can learn to control it rather than letting it control you? Energy manipulation is the missing key here. It's about understanding that everything is energy: your thoughts, your feelings, even the words you speak. When you learn to manipulate this energy, you can shift your reality and manifest the life you desire. Throughout this video, we'll explore proven techniques that will help you shift your energy, dissolve those pesky limiting beliefs, and create a transformation that lasts. So, let's get started on this exciting journey together. Before we dive into the techniques, I want to hear from you. What are some limiting beliefs that you feel hold you back? Share them in the comments below. Let's create a community of support where we can uplift each other and break free from those chains together. And don't forget to like this video if you're excited to learn how to manipulate your energy for ultimate success. Now, let's talk about what energy manipulation really is. At its core, it's the ability to influence your own energy and the energy around you. Everything in the universe is made up of energy, including you. Your thoughts and emotions emit vibrations that can attract similar energies. This is often referred to as the law of attraction. When you focus on positive thoughts and emotions, you raise your vibration. This higher vibration attracts positive experiences into your life. Conversely, negative thoughts and emotions lower your vibration, attracting challenges and obstacles. So, how do we begin manipulating this energy? The first step is awareness. You need to become aware of your thoughts and feelings. Are they predominantly positive or negative? Do you find yourself often in a state of worry or fear? Recognizing your patterns is crucial for transformation. Let's dive into some practical techniques you can use to shift your energy and start reprogramming your subconscious mind today. 1. Mindfulness meditation. Start with mindfulness meditation. This practice helps you become aware of your thoughts without judgment. Sit in a quiet space, close your eyes, and focus on your breath. When thoughts arise, acknowledge them. Then gently bring your focus back to your breath. This builds awareness and control over your mind. 2. Affirmations. Next, we have affirmations. These are positive statements that you repeat to yourself. They help rewire your subconscious mind. For example, say, "I am capable of achieving my dreams every day." Over time, your subconscious will start to believe it, and your reality will shift accordingly. 3. Visualization. Visualization is another powerful tool. Picture your goals as if you've already achieved them. Feel the emotions associated with that success. This creates a vibrational match with your desires, attracting them into your life. 4. Gratitude practice. Gratitude is a high vibration emotion. Start a gratitude journal where you write down things you're thankful for every day. This shifts your focus away from lack and into abundance, raising your vibration. 5. Energy clearing techniques. Finally, consider energy clearing techniques such as smudging with sage or using crystals. These practices can help remove negative energies and create a more positive environment for growth. Now that you have some techniques for energy manipulation, let's talk about how to dissolve limiting beliefs. These beliefs are often deeply ingrained, but they can be released through conscious effort. Start by identifying beliefs that hold you back. Write them down. Be honest with yourself. Next, challenge those beliefs. Ask yourself if they are really true. Look for evidence that contradicts them. Then, replace them with empowering beliefs. For every limiting belief, write a positive affirmation that counters it. Reinforce these new beliefs through visualization and affirmations. The more you repeat them, the more they become your new reality. Creating lasting transformation is about consistency and commitment. It's not a one-time effort, it's a lifestyle change. Incorporate these techniques into your daily routine. Morning rituals. Start your day with meditation and affirmations. Mindful moments. Take breaks throughout the day to check in with your energy and thoughts. Evening reflection. End your day by reflecting on your achievements and expressing gratitude. Remember, transformation takes time, but with persistence, you can create the life you desire. You are the architect of your reality. Build it wisely. As we wrap up today's journey into energy manipulation, I want you to remember this. You hold the key to your success. Your thoughts, emotions, and vibrations shape your reality. By mastering energy manipulation, you can unlock your true potential and create a life filled with joy, abundance, and success. Take what you've learned today and apply it in your life. You have the power to change your story. Don't let limiting beliefs hold you back any longer. Embrace your energy, manipulate it, and watch as your world transforms. If you found value in this video, please give it a thumbs up, share it with someone who needs to hear this message, and subscribe for more content that empowers and inspires. I can't wait to see you in the next video. Remember, your journey to success begins with the energy you choose to harness. Until next time, stay radiant and keep shining bright.